Yeah.
Yes. Now, so these are the topics which we are going to discuss now. I think we are able to complete all these things. So, okay.
Sir, the thing which you wrote, which is like the topics which we covered,
Hmm.
can you
So,
just
so no,
tell
no,
me?
these are not covered. Okay, we'll go from starting onwards.
We are going to.
Okay. Those are, those previous week is, just people ask me to go with the 1 or 2 classes, and after that, after finalizing the timings and after finalizing the people, you can go with that actual classes. But I spent the entire, I hope so, 3 or 4 classes I took. So why? Because in a one class you're not able to understand anything, and it's very difficult. So that is the reason I continued the entire week as a demo, and to be interactive and to understand your the level of understanding and all those things. That is helped for me a lot for the previous week. So now onwards, we're going with the actual schedule and actual syllabus which we need to cover and in our process. So okay, the first
The
thing is
I
that
have
active
one
list
question.
is what we will cover in Excel, sir.
uh, so now today we are going to cover these concepts, the overall feel and look related to Excel, and how you're going to navigate, how you're going to save, and what are the different ways to create and formatting and ribbon characteristics, and how you are need to be very familiar with the formulas, and how you are copying the cells with a different type of data. So these are the topics which we are going to cover now. Along with that, some mathematical operations, some basic mathematical operations by creating our self data, and we'll try to validate a student marks form. So if he is pass or fail, if he got a less than 35 marks in a one subject. So that is the main activities which are going to target now. Yes, Prakshu. So now we're going to cover each and everything.
Thank you.
Okay, now see, the first thing is a ribbon. I'm going to say like I'm familiarizing with you. So just if you see, if you observe, this entire part up to here is called as a ribbon. So now from starting downwards, I'm telling ribbon. No, it's not any Indian ribbon which we'll use schoolgirls or something else. So no, it's completely different. This is a ribbon. You if you observe, you're able to see this is a one specific tab. In this specific tab, you're able to see the lot of options file like that. This is the home which we'll use regularly for our day-to-day life, and insert. And if you saw insert, all the things are completely changed. Page layout, once again, all the fields are completely changed. Formulas, all the things are changed. Like that, each and every tab, the entire tool set and instructions and easy pick and drop and easy options, all are completely changing. You need to understand. The main motto is here, you need to be familiar what type of features may possible to have in that particular specific file. Generally, what is the meaning of file? It's a specific location or memory location in name where we can able to store some data, to save the work which we did, to do the different type of operations, save or save as or print,
Open. Print.
open, new. So now all these type of options will be there. See, information where it is there. Information where it is there is the protected workbook or inspect workbook or manage workbook or browse, and different type of information related to it. In the new, if you click new, one new more will be created. If open, if you want to open the existing Excel workbook, then you can use it and you can directly browse it. If it is recently opened or last week opened or older, or if it is not at here in this particular specific pane, so you need to go to the browse and you can select where it is there. Okay, and save. You know the difference between the save and save as, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Save means,
Yes.
so we are saving that particular file, but if you are using save as means the old copy need to be with the same name, and save as with a different name the same copy. Why? Because if you're saving with the same name, it's not going to accept it, right? Okay,
Yes.
maybe we feel like that the first one is a master one. We don't want to disturb with our changes. Then we'll save with another name with the save by using save as. This is a print option. Share option. You can directly share with the email and save to the cloud and all these things. Export, so either you want to create a PDF or XPS, this particular features will be available with the license. And publish. What is the meaning of publish? All the Microsoft, different type of Microsoft products will be there, right? Like a Microsoft Power BI, MS Access, and different types of Microsoft MySQL. So now if you want to export this particular data and if you want to publish your results, then you can able to directly connect to the Power BI also from this particular Excel. Okay, and close and account anyway, options. In options, you are able to see the general settings. Then the general settings, formulas and proofing, save language, what type of language, advanced. In advanced, you're able to see like that what are the different values it need to be saved in the when you are saving the work which you did, all those things. So now, and add-ins, if you want to work with the add-ins, it's a somewhat advanced content. For example, some companies will prepare some Excel add-ins. Maybe you will also see data analysis add-in, and different packages also will be there to make our work very simple and easy. So add-ins are nothing but external libraries which will work along with the Excel to simplify our work. Maybe for math, one type of add-in, maybe to send automatic emails from Excel, one type of add-in. Some paid will be there, some freely available will be there. So like that. Okay, trust center, maybe you'll see when you're working in the security sector, or if maybe previously worked, security certifications need to be passed. Why? Because for example, if I'm sending a mail with an Excel file, your computer, your organization structure need to be hold that thing, and it need to verify for each and everything. Is there any malware, or is there any decrypting code is there or not? Like that, you need to be, when you're sending and when you're sharing the documents, you need to take care about that particular trust center. Yes, this particular data is very clear and this is an information, there is no malware content in this particular folder. This type of information you'll able to know about this. Okay, this is related to the ribbon. And if you observe, so in along with the ribbon, you need to remember this is a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Okay, see this one, quick access toolbar. What is this? What is this particular symbol? Save, back. Its back is nothing but Control Z. This is a redo. You know what is this? This is the
Form.
free space. Free
Oh,
space.
the free space, yeah.
Free space. Generally, where the free space will be there? In the view, right?
Yeah.
In the view, right? I can add things to quick toolbox also. How you will add? Anyone can try to explore. So
Yes,
I'll
sir,
give
you
2
have to
minutes.
click that.
Okay, I mean, select. I'll give a 2 minutes of time. Just tell me how you're going to add some more tools in the quick access toolbar.
You have to click that triangle,
Yeah,
Okay.
drop down bar.
more
Okay.
commands, more
Okay.
commands, and you pick whatever you want to add to the quick toolbar. If you can say forms from here,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to just add it. Press the add button,
Mm-hmm.
and then you just say okay, and it will get added.
Okay. You're able to see different options. For example, what I'm feeling like that. Mm, if my particular this thing, I want to refresh all. I want to refresh also will be there. Okay. And along with that, sorting functions also need to be there. If you want to select multiple things at once, you need to use control.
Control.
Sorting A to Z. Okay, Z to A is there, right? One A to Z. Okay, two sortings. And I want to use uh, what will be the more interesting one? Okay, format painter. Anyway, it will be there in the email. And okay, filters also I'll add to my quick toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar. Each and everyone are clear how you want to add and how you want to remove.
Yes.
Okay, this clear. Okay, and after that, here you're able to see some information. Generally I showed to you. from
Okay.
see here, you're able to see average 137.5, count 30, sum 4125. Right hand
Yeah.
down, right hand side down space.
Mm-hmm.
This is an information related to that particular selected data. If you see, if I didn't select anything, then defaultly it doesn't show anything at here. If you select anything, it will show related to those.
Mm-hmm.
This is an information cell. The quick toolbox is important and as well as information. Okay, for example, just here I am inserting one row and okay, I'm creating one folder, one filter, and now I'm selecting. Okay, see now you are able to see some information at your left side down. You see, if you perform any operations, then you're able to see how many records are selected out of how many records. If you performed any specific operation related to it. You got it? 4 out of 30 records. You understand? Hello?
Yeah, I got it. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes.
Yeah.
I'm a very bad habit. If you are not able to tell anything, understand or not understand, I'm not able to move further.
No, no, sir, we got that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, if you observe, so okay, I'm removing this. I'm clearing this particular filter. Now, okay, see, this is the home. In this home, how many different options are there? Just you can check. Cut, copy, format painter. Anyone know what is the use of format painter?
Of coloring or different format. You can copy the format from one cell to another cell. I think so.
Yes.
Sir, you said like the information which is coming under the right hand side end or left hand side end. What is that called? Information?
This is an information bar.
Information bar.
Yes, the basic operations you will get average, count, and sum.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it not may be a numerical data, it may be a text data also. You will get some information related to it. How many count is there? How many rows of data is there? Like that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. In the left hand side, if you perform any operations, if you filtered or if you did any selection the operation, if you did any such type of things, then you will get that answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Clear? Right. Now, um, in the home, if you observe in the home, different type of operations, so I'm just selecting this particular data and I'm cutting it and I'm just putting it here, right click and paste. The same operation I can perform from here. Copy as a picture and copy. You know the difference between the copy and copy as a picture? Just you see. Copy as a picture. Picture as shown on the screen, as shown when printed. Okay, right. Now I'm pasting. Paste special is not highlighted, but paste. See this one. You observed how the data is
Yeah,
copied
like a picture.
like a picture. Okay, format painter. What it mean format painter? For example, see,
We
hi
select this. Yeah.
Reshma, and it's like this. I have this particular test. but here I'm selecting Smita, and I'm just bolting it and filtering with this particular blue. Now what I'm doing, I want to change this entire text into this particular format. I want to increase the font size also. So I increase the font size also. After that, I'm adjusting in the Excel to see a clear view. So now I'm selecting this particular cell or this particular information. I'm clicking on the format painter. Okay. With this particular format painter, I'm selecting this entire data.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay. You don't worry about it. For example, if you want to set a format, you don't need to worry about it. You can directly select format painter and apply wherever you want.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now,
Yes.
if you're able to observe, so this is the completed. And you know, right, how to print a specific Excel by using Control P. We'll use and we can select.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, and these modules are completed. Now, in this particular font, this is a clipboard. This is the clipboard option. Now, if you come to the font, you're able to see these are different type of different font styles. You can select whatever the font you want, you can select it. Okay, and you can increase the size also. And if you want, so this is bold, right? I'm selecting this as a italic and I'm selecting this as a underline.
Underline.
Okay, and I'm applying a different color, entire background fill. This is called a background fill color.
Background. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I'm just changing text color. If you want to change the text color, you need to choose the A. Okay, see this one, the text color.
Right.
Okay, this is a background fill and this is a text color. And if you see, okay, right, 1, 3. Okay, see this one. So I selected this particular data. What's happening?
Cell size is increasing.
Cell size is increasing. Okay, clear? Why? What is the use of this particular two symbols? Is it
Increase
clear?
and decrease the font. Yeah.
Okay, now,
Yeah, font size.
yes. Now, if you observe, these are the alignments. These are the alignments. These 6 are the alignments. So now I'll explain this particular alignment with help of this big one. And so previously you people got a little confusion. Just try to grab this one. Now, if you observe, if these two are at 2 are highlighted. So okay, first I'll go with the down. What is it? Left side down. It is middle.
Yes.
It is right
Middle
side.
down. Right.
Okay. I don't want to involve any of them. Right side, top. This is the middle. This is the down. Okay. With a single operations. Now just I am choosing as a combination. Top, middle, top, down. You know, now I got an idea. So I'll try to give you a simple explanation for it. The below one, the below one, the below is there, right? Below is for the position, either left or middle or right.
Right.
Left or middle or right. Okay, just see. So now I'm selecting this particular one and selecting this. I don't want to select this.
To select both your, are you pressing control?
No. I just selected one thing.
No, like when we have to, when we need both.
No need to. These two are completely different. These two are completely different. It will select double also. One in this 3, one in the above 3.
Above 3.
You can select. Okay, just see. This is a middle, left, right, middle, left. You're able to see?
Yes.
Okay. In the middle, this is the middle one. Center, right. Center, right. If you observe, this is the top.
Yeah.
Okay. Comparatively previously, now you got a very clear
Both.
clear cut.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Now it is.
Now it is a
Sir,
top and
can
it
you,
is the middle and it is a down. One is a top. This is the top one. This is the middle one. This is the down one. This is the left. This is the center. This is the right. Just you see now. What I need to use, it need to be at the center of this particular cell. What is the shortcut? What is the selection? Tell me. Center to it. This particular cell.
top one middle and second one also middle?
Absolutely.
Can you show this last option in the top one, sir, down? Okay, top, okay, got it.
I'll tell you one simple trick to remember. If you observe this alignment of these three options, this is the top one. This is the
It
middle one.
is
This is the
middle
down
and
one.
down. Yeah.
Okay, this is the right one. This is the left one. This is the
Right.
middle one. This is the right one. The alignment itself you can able to understand.
Mm-hmm.
If you practice a little bit, you will remember. You don't need to recollect each and every time. Okay, clear? Or anyone have any doubt?
No, it's clear.
Prakshu,
good.
so is it clear for
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, I'm clear. Thank you.
Okay, right. Now, so now this alignment is completed. We'll look into this particular thing separately when we are using, but there is nothing in it. If you want to rotate the text in different directions, it will come into the picture. For example, you see.
Okay. Just rotating.
Okay, clear?
Yes,
Mhm.
sir.
This is the particular alignment. What alignment, where alignment you want to, you can change it. Okay, you're not liking any of this existing and default provided by the Microsoft, then you need to go to the format cell alignment and you can go. You can take
Select accordingly. Okay.
what format you want, you can choose. Okay, this is the default alignment.
Mm-hmm.
You know, right? What is the 0 degrees, 90 degrees,
Yes.
Yes.
180
Yeah.
degrees, 360 degrees, 270 degrees, you know, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Positive means clockwise and negative means anti-clockwise.
Anti-clock.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, exactly vertical is a 90 degrees. 3 o'clock is a what is a 3 o'clock? Difference between the 3 o'clock in minutes and hours.
90-degree only.
Oh God.
Negative.
Yeah,
How much?
I
Yes.
didn't ask the question.
Yeah.
I didn't understand the
Okay. 3 o'clock,
question.
right? You know how the you know what I call those things. Hours
Yeah,
and hours and
minute.
minutes.
Done.
What is the angle between angle at 3 o'clock? Total circle contains 360 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, that is
Hmm.
a
Right
1 foot,
angle.
90 degrees, right angle triangle it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 90 degrees. Yeah.
Yes. If what is the angle between 12:30? Approximately. I'm not asking exact degrees. So, but
Maybe
it's a
180-degree.
180 degrees. 180 degrees.
180.
Okay, right. That based on that you can check and set the alignment. Okay. And after that, now if we'll come to the next two things, wrap text and merge and center. Wrap text means, for example, here I'm typing the text which is available and the data which we entered into the Excel is exceeded the cell. Then what you need to do, either
Select and wrap text.
either
It
you
will
need to increase the cell size.
width. Mhm.
Otherwise, if you want to fit the entire text in the specific length, you can keep this
Wrap.
and you need to select it and you need to choose
You
the
can
wrap
do
text.
wrap text.
Okay. So now what I'm doing, I want to merge these two cells. For example, if I'm feeling like that, this particular second cell also, I want to use this. I'm using the merge cell and I'm using this. If I don't want to this particular merging, what I need to do? I need to select this and once again need to click the merge and center. Then the cell will be automatically cancelled. Okay. Okay. Understand the what is the use of wrap text and merge and center?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now you'll go with the general. This is the numbers. Previously, we went through it, right? By selecting format cells and number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection, right? In this
Mhm.
number, you're able to see, right? All these things like that, we're able to see it here. Currently, this is in a general format. If we don't want a general format, if you want to use the fraction or a scientific or ABC or accounting or currency or number, so you can directly select from here itself and a percentage, and you can take the round off from here itself. You can increase the decimals and you can decrease the decimals. Okay. For example, by selecting entire thing, you can able to increase. Okay, sorry. By selecting this particular data, you can select. Why? Because previously it is not worked. We selected the text also, right? So at the time, this is not going to apply. Okay, clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
way?
Yes.
Okay, right. Now, what we covered up to now? Okay, right. So now we'll go with this. Okay, right. Now here I'm going serial number and name and salary. One. This is in a general format, right? I don't like this particular thing. I'm using the number format. Okay, I don't want the decimal places. I'm decreasing the decimal places. Okay, I'm creating a table. Just try to observe it. Just try to observe it. What's going to happen if you create a table? What happened? This particular table. What happened if you see? This is the table information. In this table information, all of your data inside to the table is aligned at a different locations. If you see, this is the right side. This is
Mhm.
right side, the left side. This is left side. This is the right side. So, okay, if you want to see in a good look, right, look and feel, right, then what do you need to select?
Center.
Center,
Center.
center.
So that is a very valid one, right? Otherwise, you can select at least the center and right side. So this is a, some valid look and feel.
Mhm.
Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Right. Now, so this is related to the things which we discussed up to now. And coming to that insert, you have a lot of options, pivot table, recommendations, and all these things when we are going to use, then it will be very familiar for you. Along with that, formulas, these are the different formulas. These are the data related operations. We already saw some things related to insight to the
What if
if,
analysis?
what if, and along with that, remove duplicates. And in data validation also, we uh, okay, we didn't discuss anything in the data validation, but okay, text to columns also we didn't see, right? Okay, so some types of things will be there. We'll use in our regular day-to-day work. Okay, now what's my intention is here. I want you to introduce a little bit of math related information and stuff related to it. Now I'm selecting this entire sheet and I'm deleting entire thing and I'm deleting this cell. I don't require this now. Now here I'll do some things which are very comfortable and familiar to each and everyone. So, okay, how you're able to identify the address of the cell?
It is A1.
How you are able to say this is the name
Top
bar
left.
where you are able to see that address. Okay, what type of information is there in this particular cell where you are able to identify? In the formula bar. Okay, either it's a formula or it's a number or it's a text, you are able to find out it there. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see serial number and subject. Okay, I'll give uh, so now if you're able to observe, when I'm entering the data is not insufficient. Data is not sufficient in the length of this particular Excel. Then what I need to do? Two ways I told you, right? Either I can wrap the
Wrap
text or I can edit the length of the cell. And
Okay.
another way is also there. What you need to do, if it is a single cell, na, just you can adjust like this. Okay, just try to be right side to the text cell and double click it, it will automatically adjust. Okay, if you want to arrange proper data entire the sheet, you need to select this particular entire sheet by clicking at the left side top corner triangle below to the name bar. You're able to see? If you click it here, you will select it, entire sheet. If you do want to deselect, just you need to come to the sheet and just click on it. Okay, you need to select it and come to any one of the column and click on it. Defaultly, it will adjust to the length of the text inside to the cell according to the length automatically. Okay.
Mm.
Can you please repeat it one more time?
Okay.
What?
See.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, serial number inside to the serial number, the text is very long. Okay.
Not, but just the function. Yeah.
Okay. Inside to the serial number, it is completely the length, text length is very huge. Okay. Like that, maybe you can feel like that number of cells are there. If for each and every cell, you're not able to go on, you're not able to expand it, right? That is very difficult for us. Then what you will do? Just you need to select the entire sheet and go to at any place in the sheet. At the vertical bar, you need to wait and double click it there. Automatically, it will adjust. If you have any doubt, just I told you, right? You need to be ready with Excel to do the practice. You can try it for this thing. For I'll try to give you 2 minutes of time. Each and everyone go with the Excel sheet and try to do this particular thing. Try to enter some random information and try to adjust that by manually. And after that, enter more length of the information in 4 or 5 cells and try to select the entire sheet and double click on it. It will automatically adjust.
Yeah,
Try
I
to
did.
do that.
We It's did. happened.
We did,
Yeah.
sir. It's coming.
Everyone are comfortable or anyone have any doubt?
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable.
Okay. Prakshi, you have Excel right in your machine?
Yeah, I have it. I did that.
Okay, sure. That's great.
Yeah.
Now, please remember, if you're facing any problem, just let me ask immediately.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm just clicking on it. I'm just editing this data. No, there is no rule like that. We need to edit this data in this particular cell only. We can go to the formula bar and we can edit it here also.
Yes.
Okay, now see. So these are the average marks per subject and result and one more cell I am adding percentage. Okay, defaultly it is there, adjusting serial number 1 How many people are there here? We have 8 members are there, right? So just see. So now here I'm saying some things related to it. So here one is there, right? Serial number. Each and every time I need to click enter and I need to type it. You don't need to do like that. If you observe your right hand side, if you nearer to that particular cursor, you're able to see some plus symbol. Just you can drag this thing up to how much you want the numbers. I want up to 8. Okay. Then all the cells are copied like this. Then you need to select this particular drop down and fill the series. I'm expecting it need to be filled. Okay, fill the series. Okay, my series is 7, right? I want to generate some random numbers. So this is for our testing purpose, right? There is no rule like that. We need to enter the real numbers and all those things, but we need to give some valid information. For that, if I entered manually, it will take too much time. So that is the reason I am using some functions which are available in the Excel. Okay, to write any function in the Excel, to write any function, give me 1 minute. Okay, you need to see this particular thing. So I'm using you. If you want to implement any formula, you need to utilize this particular thing. You need to utilize is equal to.
Sir,
Okay,
I try like a serial number. I note down 1 and drag the cursor, but it's come 111, and then I click right. Then it's not showing me. It shows like format and all those
no, no,
things.
no.
Uh-huh. So,
Just see.
uh,
No, I'm
uh-huh.
clearing it. I'm clearing it.
Uh-huh.
I'm entering 1. Okay,
Yes.
just leave it.
Uh-huh.
Select this
Uh-huh.
particular cell.
Uh-huh.
You're able to see the plus symbol.
Uh-huh.
Just you need to drag it
Yes.
and leave this one. Now
Uh-huh.
you're able to see this option.
Yes.
You need to select this particular little triangle drop down. Now you need to select the fill series. This is a copy cells, means the information which is there at the starting, it will copy
Uh-huh.
entirely. So now if you select the fill series, it will automatically give the series. Just try now once.
Okay, but in mine it's showing other options like format and cell and all. Let me check. Yeah, it's saying formatting charts, total, table, spark lines. This is giving me that option.
That is not a Windows.
That's Excel.
No. That is an Excel and Windows or not.
This is Windows, right? It does matter.
Yes, definitely. If you're using a Mac, maybe some features will be different, right? The
That's a
functionality.
window, not Mac one.
Then definitely you need to be you need to be
In
available in all
MacBook,
these
it's
things.
coming like that, whatever you are showing. It's coming like that way in MacBook also.
That's not Mac. That's a window. No, it's So how we can do like the Siri, like
So
what
what are the
like,
options you're able to see it there? Please tell me.
I can see formatting, charts, totals, tables, and spark lines. And there is a
Spotlight.
data bar, colors, icons, greater, top 10, these things.
What it is? I don't know actually if I want to say. I didn't see that type of options.
That's why I'm trying yesterday. But
Can
let me
anyone help me? What it is exactly? And
use
where
the quick
the
access.
type of
So
options will come?
when you press on the autofill, those are the options it's showing, Smita.
Autofill.
Autofill means the, like on Sir's screen, can you see the blue color box kind of thing? That is the autofill, and when he's pressing that, when Sir is pressing that, these are the options they are showing. So what exactly are you doing? You're just dragging it down?
I'm dragging it down. Like, where's mine? Like, yeah. Like, I can share my thing if you want.
If you share screen, maybe the recording is going to stop.
So what options you're seeing, Smita? Can you just tell once again?
Like, I click on that option. So it's like formatting, charts, total, tables, these things.
Actually, this, the chart and table that also showed up on my screen when first time I did. So what I did was I cleared all the serial number, like we did one and then then doing this, right? Fill series. So just clear everything and again, just go one and then try to do it again because that happened to me too in the first place. And then I cleared everything.
Okay, let me try. Like, let me
Yeah,
clean
just
all.
clear.
Okay, now I'm writing one again.
Yeah, one and then.
Then I'm dragging cursor.
Yeah, and then when you leave the cursor, drag down and leave the cursor, it will automatically give that plus sign on the side with that drop down.
No, that is not.
Okay. 1 second. You can come to that. So just I'm showing some options. Can you please check that thing? Come to the file. Come to the file. Options.
Let
Okay.
me.
In that options, advanced or formulas. Automatic is selected or anything is
Check.
selected.
It's on the where did you
Formulas.
set
Formulas. So
formulas?
just
Okay.
file in file options. In options formulas. Can you
Okay.
please navigate along with me to that location?
Files.
Or you're not able to see those options also. By clicking the file, you're able to see info, new, open, save as, print, share, export, publish, close, account, and options. In that options,
In that option,
formula, general, proofing, save, language, advanced, you're able to see or not?
no.
Then
I
that's
can see like when I click on file, it says home, new, open, info, save as, print, share, export, publish, close, and then down
No, there is
account.
no option, no
No
options.
option.
Options button is not available for you. Account
No,
inside to the account or
I
about to
can
the
see
account.
account and P. Yeah, there is option, right?
Yes.
And then I have
Click
to
on the
click
options,
formula.
formula, automatically
Yes,
selected or not?
yeah, it's automatic.
Okay. In advanced, come to the advanced.
Okay, advanced. Yes, I did.
All the default settings will be like this or any changes?
After this, where's it go? Automatic flash fill. Display.
In formulas, it is automatic.
Yes, it's automatic.
Okay. Then something is fishy. Try to work on that particular error of the class.
What is that?
I'm going to say, like I'm saying, after completion of this class,
Mhm.
try to find out the reason
Yeah,
or
sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
reset your entire Excel to the default settings.
Yeah, we should carry on and I will find out
Okay,
what's
right.
wrong. Yeah.
If I want
check.
to enter the data, I need to use the function. To write any function, what I need to do, I can directly insert is equal to it here to write any function, whatever may be the function. Or so here also I'm using function, right? So that is the reason I'm using is equal to. Okay, and here you see now I'm using some specific function. I want to insert randomly specific marks for each and every subject and for each and every student. So that is the reason I am typing random. I don't know the exactly the function. Can you tell me what is the what function will be suitable now? See, rand ints, rand between. I want to generate numbers. I'm considering this is an exam, right? So now for exam, what is the marks limit? Definitely it's a lower limit and upper limit. Each and every subject is conducted for 100 marks. Then what happened?
And between.
Rand between. Okay. See, nothing but rand between. If you select the rand between, you need to double click on it. Now it is asking, see, bottom top. What is the bottom row and what is the top row? My bottom value, what I am giving is 30 marks and my top 99 marks. Why? Because I don't believe like that 100 marks will get it. Okay. To implement this thing to the entire rows for all these 6 subjects, I just dragged it. Okay, I want to see all these 6 things for entire these 9 students. Just need to drag it. Is everyone clear for it?
Yes.
Okay. Or
Sir,
anyone have any doubts?
Sir, can you do it once again? Because in the beginning,
Yeah.
when you gave the bottom and top, it said it is 88 and will it change like that?
Yes, right. These are randomly. This is a complete random.
Mhm.
See this one. So now I'm just dragging this. Now once again I'm using plus and I'm dragging it. Okay. I am saying in between 30 to 99, bring values to fill these particular 9 into 6, 54 values
Okay.
randomly.
Mhm.
Okay, each and every time this will change. For example, just see.
So which column have you written the formula? Can you go first? Where 88 is? Okay. And now you have dragged the formula to all
Yes,
the.
right. At any
Yeah.
cell, this particular
Mhm.
formula will be implemented and it
Okay.
will be copied.
Yeah, got it. Got it.
Got it?
So with every click, the values will change, sir.
Every operation and every refresh.
Okay.
Okay, if you perform anything or if you have applied any operation or if you call any of the cells, then randomly values will change. Okay, total marks. If you observe total marks, for total marks, what you need to do? You need
Is
to
Add
equal.
perform
equal
some
to.
operation.
Is
Actually,
equal.
yes, actually what you need to do,
You told
we'll
it
do in
some.
all types of ways. Just we need to select this one plus this one plus this one plus one plus like a calculator, what we are doing it here. Enter. If you observe, all the values got changed.
Can we also do the auto sum or something? Select
Yes,
all
yes,
the
yes,
cells
yes,
and
yes. We can do. I'm showing all the options for you. That's it.
Sir, you just like when you do the addition, when you did the addition from B2 to G2,
Mhm.
it added up and it changed the values again in the cells?
Yes. If you observe, if we performed any specific operation, the data will be defaultly changed. Why? Because I don't want to see the same data for each and every instance. So that is the reason by using random function, I created that type of numbers, which will change randomly. Okay, I will show how you need to fix those numbers also. But up to now, try to see, this is the one way of addition. Okay, just what I'm doing, I'm dragging this.
Dragging down all value.
Okay, all that particular function is expanded. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now see, I'm using another one, total marks. Total marks method 1. Okay, see now, I'm doing in another way by is equal to sum, brackets open, and I'm selecting the entire marks up to how much I want to calculate. And I'm closing this, enter, dragging the formula. Okay, this is the second way. Now I'm doing in a third way. See, now I'm using the auto sum option. Okay, and calculating sum. If you observe what's happening
It's
in
adding.
AutoSum, it is also generating the same formula which we used by using sum, but it is just giving in a form of user interface. In a format UI, it is giving for us. You observe, this is the formula which we got it here. At here also, the formula which we written is this the same thing, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is the way.
So, but when you did auto sum, it's adding from A to, which is not right, no?
Yes, yes, right. For example, just if I want to select AutoSum, okay, these marks, what happened? Just you see, if I select AutoSum from here to here, sum, what happened? AutoSum will give you the result immediate cell.
No, but the first cell is the total marks which you gave the formula like doing like a calculator.
Right. So that is the reason I'm saying, if you want to implement the AutoSum, you need to select this entire thing and
But where did you give the auto sum?
see, when AutoSum is selecting, just see, check. I am clicking this particular one at here. I'm keeping my cursor at here and I'm going to the AutoSum, double clicking on it. From where to where it's selected?
Select all the cells.
A
All
to
the all the cells which are backside to it, behind to it. Okay, for example, if I put my cursor at here and if I select AutoSum,
Yeah, it's
entire numbers from here to here. Got it?
okay,
Yes.
but
When
it should
your
not add. It should not add the serial number, no, sir. It should add only the.
that is
subject.
the
That's
functionality of an AutoSum. If you
yeah.
want to delete this particular one, okay, you deleted this one, but exactly what you want to implement auto select this particular place for this particular numbers. For example, just you see, okay, inserting one new more row. Okay, see this one. So try to see what's happening. I'm clicking my cursor at here and auto sum. What happened? Just see, this is also selected.
select all. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
serial number is also selected. That's why we have to specify from that
Okay.
B to G. Okay.
So Jen, what we need to do? We need
We
to
just need, okay.
AutoSum. When it will be useful? If
If
you
we
feel
want,
like that, if you
Yeah.
feel like that, all the numbers are fine. Then this is the perfect sum, right? Then this is the perfect sum. This will be applicable and this will be used in this particular type of situations.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yes.
When you're going to use and all those things. Now, if you observe, we're going to remove this. I'm deleting this particular entire column. Okay, right. Delete. Total marks. One. Adjusting it. Total marks, method 2.
sir,
Okay.
but I wanted to ask, what is the difference between sum and autosum? Because if you are specifying the autosum, I mean the row number, I mean the cell name, cell address. If you can, like in the sum function, it is saying number 1 and number 2, like from which cell to which cell we have to add. And even in autosum, it is asking for the number 1 and number
Let's see.
2.
In auto cell, it is not asking us from where to where we need to add. Defaultly, it is taking from the start.
Yeah.
Okay, but we can change it.
Yes. That
Okay,
is the main difference in between the sum and auto sum.
it takes default, okay.
Yes, default up to there. For example, if you are selecting auto sum here, it will consider all these numbers from here to here.
Okay.
Okay. Now see how you will calculate the average.
All the
Formula.
number of
Nothing
things.
but sum of the numbers by
Yeah.
the particular sum by how many number of subjects are there generally? Count of how many this count?
6.
6.
This one. Okay. Now you tell me. So I don't want to see this clumsiness in my data. Which option I need to use? I selected
Decrease the decimal.
and where I need to
Another
decrease the decimal. Why it is not working for me now?
You are selecting the text.
Yes. Okay. See this. Now
Sir, what
percentage.
did you do here to take away the decimals?
Just I selected.
Under the numbers. Okay.
Just I selected this particular numbers and
Under the numbers.
this is for increasing the decimals. This is to decrease the decimals.
Well, I can't see the full screen of yours. Maybe that's where I'm lagging. So what are you pressing to increase the numbers and decrease the numbers? Because I can't.
You're
I
able to
can't.
see the numbers session in the ribbon.
Numbers.
I
No,
think
actually, I will change
why I
the.
was not able to see my screen. Anyone are facing that problem?
I will change the ratio.
Each and everyone are able to see my entire
Now
screen.
I can see. I
Yeah.
changed my viewing options. I can see, sir.
Okay, see now you're able to see these particular numbers increasing.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And this is the
Okay.
decrease.
Yeah.
Okay, clear.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is the average marks per subject. How you will calculate the percentage? How you will calculate the percentage? Nothing but number of marks we obtain and for the total number of marks and 100. That is
100.
that is the nothing but percentage, right? So okay, total number of marks by total number of marks. What is the total number of marks?
600.
600 into
100.
100. See this one. What will happen?
Then we have to
Yeah,
decrease.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now just see. Defaultly, It is increased for each and every cell. It grabbed for this to calculate this particular percentage. It grabbed this particular total. But 600 is same in all the cells calculation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because it is cells. It is a constant value. So that is the reason it got extracted.
Hmm.
Okay. But now here we want to do some specific things related to it. Fixing the I meant to say like statical fixing and dynamically fixing the cells traveling or cells journey. I
You
want to
said
explain.
like control
can you,
F4.
Sorry.
sir, can you just press on the percentage cells? I just want to see like, so you just gave, that is I2, okay. So will it take like, if it is going, when it is going to the next cell, will it just take like I3 and the rest of the formula? We don't have to,
Yes, right. See, it will take defaultly.
okay.
Okay. But you need to remember one thing. I'll come to you. I need to explain some more concepts. Before that, I want to complete this particular result, right? What is the meaning of result? We need to check that particular person got passed or failed, right?
Yes.
Each and every subject, if he passed, then only it need to give the result as pass. Otherwise, it need to give the result as fail.
Fail.
Right? Now here, so now if all the subjects passed, then only he'll pass.
Right.
Right? Now all the subjects means it is an intersection condition and.
Mm.
Okay, I'm using the bracket.
If all the
What is the condition? Escape. If when we are writing any formula, if any mistake you observed and each and every different way stuff is selecting, na, you need to just go to this particular escape. Click on the escape. For example, I'm trying to write the formula and by mistakenly I selected it here. Then you need to click escape. See,
FK.
escape symbol will be there, right?
Okay.
That one.
Mhm.
And option I'm selecting. What I want to do? This one greater than or equal to 35 marks,
35, yeah.
comma. This particular one greater than or equal to 35, comma. Greater than or equal to 35, comma. Greater than or equal to 35. This is my condition, right? If every condition is true, then only he passed. If he got 99 in one subject and if he failed in if he got 34, it doesn't mean like that he passed. Not equal to 35. Just you see. Enter. What happened? It is saying it is a true. We are humans. We can understand it's a true or false. What is the meaning of pass and what is the meaning of fail? But computer doesn't know, right? For that, we need to tell that in what type of situations you need to give a result pass and in what type of situations you need to give a result text result as a fail. Just you see, I'm writing this particular cell once again. I'm writing if this particular condition got true, then you need to print the result true. Otherwise, false. Okay, 1 second. If it is pass,
Pass and fail.
I want to say to the system, it need to produce pass and fail.
Okay. Why is they pass? Okay.
You see who are passed and who are failed. See this one. Each and everyone understand how we written this particular formula.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One more time. It's very confusing.
So
Okay.
we have to note down every time this formula, or is any other like short form?
No need to remember any formula. Just you need to, if you remember that concept, that is enough.
Mhm.
That is enough. Just I'm explaining here. Just see. So now, okay. Here I'm selecting. Once again, I'm writing this particular formula for you.
Mhm.
To write the formula, what is the basic thing first we want to write?
Equal to sign.
Equal.
Equal to. That is clear, right? And
Mhm.
after that,
Yeah.
here, what is our business condition? You can feel like that. What is our logical conclusion? That particular person should
Also
get
true.
all subject marks are more than or equal to 35. That is the thing, right?
Yeah.
What is the mathematical operations to identify his marks are greater than or equal to 35?
Mhm.
Just you need to remember that
Okay.
particular subject marks.
Okay.
Mhm.
Marks are greater than or equal to 35. If this condition is right, then the result is nothing but true.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
If this particular expression true means he got either 35 or more than 35 marks. Right? Just we need to separate that conditions with comma
Okay.
to applicable this particular condition to each and every subject. 6 subjects, 6 conditions. What is our result? If we want to say he pass, it means all the conditions should be pass only. If at any situation that particular condition got failed, it
Mhm.
means he failed, right?
Yeah.
So that is the reason here I written this particular script. Just see, and forget about the if, and all these conditions should be true. See now.
So the after closing the bracket, first.
So and condition I written, right? And condition.
Mm-hmm.
What is the thing I need to write? So I am selecting the marks in Telugu.
Yeah.
It should be greater than or equal to 35.
35.
Like that, we need to write for each and every subject.
Mm-hmm. Greater than equal to 35, you are typing, and
Cell I
by
am selecting with the
selection.
mouse.
Yeah. Okay. And column is coming by selection.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Greater than or equal to 35.
Mm-hmm.
Comma, greater than or equal to 35. Comma, greater than or equal to 35. Okay. Now see, if all these conditions are true, then only the entire result is got true. It is false. It means maybe one or two more subjects are less than 35. Just you
35.
see, science and social
Yeah.
are less
Less
than
than
35.
35.
I am
Mhm.
implementing this to entire this particular series. Just see.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who are passed? For example, this particular second record is passed. If you check,
Pass.
all are above 35.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Now, what I want to do here, true, false. It is a little bit of confusing, right? So that
Yeah.
is the reason I am writing if condition. What is
Okay.
the meaning of if condition? If
This
it is
is
true, this is
true.
the result. If it is
Okay.
false, this is the result, right? How many
Mhm.
conditions inside
Two.
to the if? One is the condition, and
Mhm.
second one is the result, which will be shown if that particular condition is true. And third one is result when it need to be displayed, the condition is failed, right? So like that, same here I mentioned if condition, and this is my entire condition. This is my entire condition. If it is pass, if it is true, it need to show pass. If it is failed, if it is false, it need to show fail. That is a required thing. This is the first one. Pass will come when this entire condition is true. Fail will come if this particular condition got failed. Everyone understood? Or
Yes.
anyone have any confusions?
Yes.
If you have any confusions, just I'll try to give you 5 minutes. Try to implement it by yourself.
Yeah.
When you're implementing it or when you're writing it, then it will give you a very good clarity for you. Okay. So, so now I'm just trying to do some stylings for this particular table. Meanwhile, each and everyone go and try to create this type of environment based on your own. Try to calculate sum, try to calculate average, try to calculate percentage, try to calculate result
So
in
one more
true
time,
false
remind
format.
that a
Right?
random, you wrote a one
Yes.
formula rand.
Open your Excel and try to use is equal to and type R. Automatically, you will get it the random
Okay.
function, random between function. Then it will show what you need to write inside to it. A top limit and lower limit it will come. You need to give what is the limit you want to give. You can give 20 marks also. You can give 15 marks also as your lower limit. You can give 0 marks also your lower limit. And your upper limit is nothing but maximum 100 marks. That's it, right? If anyone got minus marks in exam, so it's a false. If anyone got 100, 120 or 150, that's false. Is it clear?
Yes,
Try
sir.
to create, try to create, try to create. No problem. I'll give some time for you. So I'm just formatting this particular table. And a good looking.
If you go to B2, I want to see again how you wrote that random formula.
Just see.
Random between 32, 90.
So just by
Okay.
after typing the is equal to, if you click R, automatically defaultly your functions will come.
There is one as a rand only, RAND, and in when
Rand
I
and rand between someone. So who's
okay,
this? Who's this?
Tejinder.
Tejinder.
Yeah.
Maybe your Excel need to be diagnosed.
Okay.
My
Is not.
autofill is not working. I don't know. Somehow.
I'm increasing its size and I'm making all these italic
Yes.
and I'm adjusting this entire lens,
Okay.
putting into a specific table with a thick outside borders and all borders. Okay. And I'm giving color to. Okay, I'm giving color to.
Pari.
I'm checking this as a board.
One more question.
Yes.
When I am trying to create a data set like you,
Mm-hmm.
and I mean, whenever I'm clicking on another row or column,
Mm-hmm.
that formula is generating different numbers. Can we freeze the formula?
No. So that is the reason I told you the use of the escape. Okay, guys, anyone have any other doubts or
Escape is.
I mean to select, you know what I'll do. So now
Mhm.
I'll try to make host Tejinder and I'll try to solve the problems in a system. If
So
everyone
one,
are fine with this particular thing up to now.
Sir,
sir,
also,
otherwise also I can share my screen. It is showing me I can share you my screen.
Yes, but the recording is going to stop.
Oh, okay.
If we change the host, the recording.
Okay, in the last, if I can see, I'll
Yes.
ask.
Everyone understood, or anyone have facing any problems related to it?
Sir, my thing is when I'm trying to do the total marks,
Mhm,
I'm giving that cell numbers like, let's say from B2 to G2.
mhm.
I just gave equal to sum of B2, comma and G2. Why the G2 in the formula bar, like it's showing in a red color, sir, and it's not
Okay.
adding.
Some you need to give some for is to symbol, not comma.
Which symbol?
Is to double colon,
Oh, okay.
not comma. If you're using the formula.
So between
Yes, yes.
colon between two numbers.
Yes, right. From
Oh,
B2 to G2. B2 colon G2. You need to give.
okay, got it. Thank you, sir.
No problem. And anyone facing any problems?
Result. Okay.
Except Tejender. Except Taru.
Every time I'm doing it, okay. You said if I will press escape and now it won't do it.
It will remove the entire formula.
I got it. Oh,
Nikita, Nirupa, Prakshu,
I did this. Like, I'm done with this.
I'm good.
Reshma.
Yes, I
Yeah.
got it. Good.
Okay, only with Taru. So okay, 7 minutes we have. 1 second.
Can I share it now?
Oh, yes, you can share now.
So can you see the Excel screen, sir, here?
Yes.
This one's.
Okay, what is that?
That error, once I changed that, I mean, I took off that, applied that paste options, this is what showed up. And if I click here, it is showing.
Okay, sir. See, try to read that error message.
Yeah, the formula in the cell refers to a range that has additional numbers adjacent to it.
Don't worry about it. You are getting answer, right?
Yeah.
Leave it.
you can click on that triangle and ignore that. Then it goes.
You have like a dictionary correction, that option.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not like that.
H4 is selected. Something is
Yeah,
going
I
to
saw
happen.
it. Yeah, this.
Go to
Okay.
that.
A little bit of tricky when you are applying any formulas. Simple thing got changed, everything is going to corrupt it.
So I will
Oh.
see it to take it away.
Yeah, just go to I2. Go to I2. No. First escape.
Once again, your formula is changing.
Yeah.
Now it's fine.
Now you have this triangle, yellow triangle. Go to that yellow triangle and click,
Ignore the errors.
Ignore the error. Yeah.
Oh,
And now you can select whole the data set which has it, and then go to yellow triangle and ignore, because our result is okay. I think we can ignore, right, sir?
Yes. So why? Because maybe in the selection you did something. So because of that, it's happened.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you,
guys,
sir.
have a nice day.
Thank you,
Have a nice day.
whoever helped. I don't know the name.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
It's okay. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Good night. Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.